up, you guys? Thanks so much for coming to see another video. I'm so just ecstatic over this New Year's. Literally, you guys, when I'm filming this, it is New Year's night. It is 10:50 and I'm so excited. I want to go run outside. I'm going to go see some fireworks. I already hear them and I've been hearing them the whole time I've been doing my makeup, and I'm just like, I love it so much. I tell you in the video that New Year's is like one of my favorite holidays, and I just love like the party that goes with it. I love the newness that comes with it. I just love like New Year's. So I'm really thankful to see the growth on this channel. From starting this channel in the summer of this year, 2018, I've gained 112 subscribers at this point. That's about 6 months, so 6 to 7 months. So I'm really thankful for all of you guys who have subscribed. It means so much to me, and I just can't even like fathom where we're going to be like next year. Thank you so much for where we've gotten so far. I'm really excited. Thank you for sticking with me. Anyway, so I know you guys want to see how I do this look, so please keep watching. Hey you guys, oh my gosh, I hope you guys are ready because I surely am. I'm really excited. We are going back into the Huda Beauty palette this time. Remember in the last video I told you guys I was going to do a part 2 of this New Year's look? Well, we're back again, and she is back. I'm actually going to take a shader brush and we're going to go into the Demure color, and I'm just going to kind of pack it because I really am obsessed with this color and I really want it to show up nice. So I'm just gonna pack it in. And how cute is this color? Like, it's like pink, but it's like peach, but it's like coral. But yeah, I love it. I am beyond excited for the New Year's. As I am filming this, it is New Year's Eve and it is like 8:30 at night, so it is about to be the new year. I feel like it is literally my favorite holiday besides Easter. A lot of people are going to be like, what? But yes, Easter's my favorite because of the spiritual point of it, that Jesus resurrected. Like, that's my favorite holiday because it really just means the world to me. But other than that, I really love New Year's because I love newness, to have new opportunities and everything like that. Like, it's just really special to me. So a new year is like so fun. I love fireworks. I love staying up super duper late. I just love like the party that New Year's brings. So you guys, I may be moving out into my own apartment soon, and I'm really just beyond excited. I'm kind of scared to live alone. I'm just like, I don't want roommates because I don't want to like clean up after someone. I don't want to like share the bathroom. I don't want to share the kitchen. Like, is that selfish? I think that's selfish. I probably should check my heart. Anyways, I'm very an introverted person, so I thrive off being alone. That may be so weird to some people, and that's fine. And God made us all different, you know what I mean? So, by the way, I'm taking a Morphe 562, and I'm just going to blend the top of this line so that it's not so harsh. We're going to blend it and fade it a little bit. So when you choose that path, it makes it a little bit harder to move out because you're having to pay it all yourself, you know what I mean? So, you know, a lot of people have roommates because of that, and I think that's why I'm like 24 and I'm still at home, because I don't really want roommates. So I'm feeling like I want to grow, like I want to live in the real world, which basically means pay bills. Like, what is wrong with me, right? A lot of people are telling me to stay home as long as I can, but I don't think, like, and I hope I don't become this way when I get older and tell other people that, because I don't think people quite understand or remember what it was like to be at home and live with your family, because everybody knows, like, it gets old, you know, when you're grown and you're still living with your grown parents. It's like you can bicker at each other and just feel like you're wanting to live life your own way in your own house and do your own things, and that's kind of how I feel. And like, people will probably say, well, you can just get over it, you're not having to pay bills, so benefit from it. But I get that, I completely get that. But you know, I feel like if it's God's plan for me to move out so that I can grow as a person, so that I can really focus on my craft on YouTube and do like what I'm needing to do on here, then like I feel like it's just meant to be. I feel like God will help me. I feel like if, you know, the bills are overwhelming, I feel like there will be a way, you know, God will make a way somehow. I'm just really excited for that. There's two sides. Some people tell me don't move out, stay home, and then other people tell me do it, it's the best thing I've ever done. So I completely agree with that. I agree with both sides, honestly, but I feel like I'm just at that point in my life where I'm ready for independence. If any of y'all are in the same boat, like, I feel ya. Just be patient. I'm honestly feeling like it's gonna happen. It's about to happen. I'm really, really excited about it, to be honest. Look how cute this is. Like, if my camera was blurry, you could see it. If any of you guys have recently been through this situation, I would love some advice. I would love some encouragement. I would love some warnings. Whatever you have, whatever type of info that you would like to offer me, let me know what it is. What did you guys think when you moved out? Did you live with people? Are you on your own? I want to know. Like, you guys should let me know. Give me some advice. I need some help. Alright, now I'm going to take the color Suede with a Morphe M506 brush. And I'm just going to place it right on the edge of my eye. And I don't want it to be too extreme. Do you guys hear those fireworks? Okay, so now I want to take the Trust Fund color. I'm going to take it just on my finger. Ooh, I hope this isn't too orange. I might have to mix it because I don't really want orange. So right off the bat, I am noticing that it is a topper color. This is not going to be a color that we can just pop right on and it be like bam, automatic, which is a good thing because I really wanted to try like a moon dust or bubbly. And look at that. That's like so pigmented. Hey, moon dust. I'm going to try and set it with some, spray it with some setting spray. So I kind of dug pretty hard into Trust Fund because I really want to use that color, but it's just giving me a hard time. So I think now it's kind of showing up on top of that moon dust. Makes my eye look a little wrinkly, but it is what it is. That's pretty much what I was picturing. So I'm going to do the other eye really quick and clean up a little bit. Something about these colors are it's just my vibe. We are about to do some white eyeliner and I am going to go major with it. So I would love to sit and like bring up another topic to talk to you guys. However, I will probably mess up and I'm going to have to hold my breath the whole time. So let's just go ahead and get this liner over with. Alright, you guys, how was that for a look? Ooh, this is really cool. I cannot wait to get lashes on. So let's go ahead and do that part now. So now I have this NYX Vivid Brights and it's just like a cream eyeliner, and I'm going to use that as my lower liner, but it has a tint of blue, so I'm not quite sure about it yet, but it's the only liner that I feel like might really work with this, besides white, of course. I was about to do my lower mascara and then I realized, wait, we haven't even done the under eye yet. What? So I'm going to use this adorable little fan brush from BH Cosmetics. It's in number 6. And we're going to take the Demure color and I'm kind of going to lightly tap on the color on both sides of it like this and then kind of shake it off like Mariah Carey. And then I'm going to go right underneath my lashes and just dust it on there. Alright, I personally think that is beautiful. Now I'm going to go into Suede just really, really lightly. And I'm going to go just right on the outer. Okay, now I'm gonna go put on some lower mascara and pick out a lip and we'll be done. Yeah, I literally think this is the coolest look for eyeliner. The colors are so suiting for my like skin tone and just, I don't know, I just feel like it really works. Hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think of this white liner. Also, I'm just sitting here and listening to fireworks. It is almost New Year's and I'm so excited, so I'm going to wish you guys a happy New Year's. I hope y'all have a wonderful 2019. I'm ready and I feel like 2019 is going to be a great, blessed year, and I hope it is for you too. I always pray for one word. I pray that God will give me one word in mind each year, the first word that you think of when you ask it, and mine was renew. I really don't know exactly what it's going to mean, you know, come this time next year. If you guys get a word, let me know what your word is. I'd love to know. In 2016, my word was freedom. 2017 was promises. Last year, I could not remember what my specific word was. I know there was one, I just can't remember what it was because I did not write it down fast enough. And this year is renewal, so I'm really excited to see what exactly that's going to mean. So yes, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
I think this is literally like the coil. What? I literally said coilless. Demure. What's that mean?
Demure means of a woman or her behavior, reserved, modest, and shy.